This is YFM-103YRCA, the auto ultrasonic robot hand closing cutting machine by computer control. Now we are going to test this machine and teach you how to operate this machine. First of all, please make sure the air pressure is around 4.5 to 5 kilo. Once the air pressure is okay, and please switch on the machine's main power, and please switch on the machine's panel's power, and please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. Here is the top stop side, here is the bottom stop side. Okay, and please put the zipper into the machine according to this direction. Please open the brush cover and insert the zipper into the machine, and please make the zipper edge is stopping around this position. Okay, and then please close the cover, and please touch the screen. When you see the screen, there is a function, the continuous production. Is when you make cutting, the belt is keep running non-stop. If you press the interval production, it will cut the interval number, for example 5 pieces, and then stop the interval time 5 seconds. The total quantity may be 10 pieces. Okay, this is good for counting. So now we are going to test 5 pieces and interval time 5 seconds and cut for 10 pieces at the beginning. Okay, so we press the start. You can see the robot hand will cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the zipper will come out, and you can make for packing. And one more time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and finish the order. And you can press the reset button to finish the order. Now we are going to test for the continuous production. So continuous production, this doesn't work. Just press the request quantity. For example, we test for 20 pieces, and then you can close the cover, and you can press the start. The machine will be working. Okay, we finished the order. So please press the reset button to finish the order. And you can see there is a manual operation. All the actions you can control from the manual operation, and there is a manual operation too. Okay, this is the speed for the manual working. We set up the 100 RPM per minute. And we can go back to the main screen, and there is a setting. The location of the clip forward. When the clip get forward, the 69 is the distance. So normally we do not make the base touch the screw. Okay, there is some distance. So normally we set up around 95 to 96. Okay, and this is a closed-end zipper, so we set up the 96. The hook pin delay time is when the sensor, the signal pole touch the sensor and delay how much time the hook pin will goes up. Okay, normally we set up the 1 millisecond because the zipper is short, so we don't set up this too much time. And the local time, you can press the local time, you can set up from here. The ultrasonic time we set up the 6 milliseconds. The cooling time we set up the 3 milliseconds. This data you can adjust according to the result. And the reversal time 0.3. The reversal time is before cutting, the rubber hand go backward and then it will come a little bit forward. Okay, it's like a reversal. Come and reverse. So we make reversal time 0.3. This one is fixed. And you can press the I/O monitor. All the sensors working or not working, it's on or off. You can see from the I/O monitor. And you can see there's a password. Please press the password A008, enter. And you can see the gap induction of a zipper delay, 4 milliseconds. This is control when the sensor feel the gap and the delay how much time, the 4 milliseconds, and give the signal to the PLC. It just make sure the signal is correct. Okay? And the clip open delay time is once the clip open, need to delay how much time? Normally we set up the 3 milliseconds. Open and backward delay time is when the rubber hand go backward, and once the clip open and need to back how much time and then go forward. So normally we set up the 35 milliseconds. Conveyor belt time 250 is controlling the belt running time when it comes out. Okay, if you want to increase the time, you can increase the time. Normally we set up the 300. Okay, and the low level is setting the high speed of a rubber hand forward. Normally we set up the 400 RPM. This one is fixed. And the high speed of a rubber hand backward 300. This one also we set up the 300 RPM. This is also fixed. The low speed of the rubber hand backward we set up the 150. And the current location of the clip is just showing where is the robot hand, the clip. Okay, so this one is just showing you. Okay, so we go back to the main screen. Bob Messel is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish the machinery testing.